Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my afang soup. Afang soup too bad. This afang soup is very delicious and it is very simple to prepare. Before we get started, my name is Grace and I share interesting recipes from my kitchen. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button below and you're welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, I'll start by pouring in my palm oil into my cooking pan. We are not going to bleach the oil, we just allow it to get a little bit hot. I'll go ahead now to pour in my water leaf. I've already washed and cut it. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit and allow the water leaf to bring out its liquid. It's the liquid from this water leaf that is just going to virtually form the liquid for this soup, because we are not going to be adding any extra water. So I'll allow the water leaf to heat a little bit before proceeding to add in my cooked meat and stockfish. I use the head of stockfish because of the flavor that it gives. So I've added in my cooked meat and my stockfish, followed by adding in my pomo, that's our cow skin. I'll be mixing everything up together thoroughly in the pot. Just know that all the proteins that we added into the pot has been cooked to perfection, that they are well cooked already. So I'm just mixing up everything together. You can see the water from the water leaf. It has already formed the base for in which our soup is going to be prepared. After some minutes, I just allowed the whole flavors to align together. I'll be adding in my panla. I've already deboned the fish. You know the fish comes with bones. So I've already deboned and washed the fish. So I've added in my panla now. I'll go ahead now to add in my my grilled catfish. I'll add in my salt now, followed with my pepper. I use Cameroon pepper for this recipe. Feel free to use any pepper of choice, but I use Cameroon pepper for this recipe. I'll add in my seasoning cube and I'll mix everything together. I'll cover the pot and allow the flavors to align together. It's time for me to add in my afang now. I've already washed and blended our afang. It is also called okazi. If you are from the eastern part of Nigeria, it is called okazi. Once we add in the afang, the soup is just ready, because the heat from the soup is good enough to just cook the afang. So I'm going to be adding in our periwinkles now and crayfish. I'll stir everything together and the soup is ready. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, that this recipe is very simple to come together. Once you've already finished with your food prep, just know that it is one of the fastest soups to prepare. It's no longer a new thing. If you've been watching my recipe, you know that I add the crayfish last. That's virtually the last thing I add to my soups, because I just don't like overcooking the crayfish. I just like when you're eating the soup, you get the flavors from this crayfish, because it actually tastes very good. So I'm just going to stir everything together properly and I will be testing for salt. we won't be needing any extra salt because the meat we added to the soup was properly spiced. So I'm just going to bring this down and serve it with my delicious, sorry, my favorite swallow. So guys, thank you for watching this video to this point, and if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button below and join us in this ministry. I will see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.